In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Compare tool in Tradingview. If you've ever wanted to see how two assets move relative to each other, whether that's to gauge correlation, relative strength, or simple performance, the Compare tool makes it fast and clear. Start by opening your chart in Tradingview so you are looking at your primary symbol. At the top of the chart, find the small plus icon labeled Compare or Add symbol. This is your entry point for bringing another asset onto the screen without changing your main chart. Click that icon and in the search box that appears, type the ticker of the asset you want to compare. Like AAPL, you'll see a list of matching results. Select the instrument you intend to use so it's added to your chart. Right as you hover or choose the result, you'll have a chance to decide how the comparison should be displayed. Picking the right view here will save you confusion later. Same percentage scale shows both assets as percent change from a single starting point. Tradingview rescales the chart so each line begins at the same baseline, letting you compare growth or decline in percentage terms. This is excellent for evaluating relative performance because a 5% move in one asset is directly comparable to a 5% move in the other, regardless of their actual prices. Keep in mind, the reference point is the visible start of your chart, so what you see is tied to that window. New price scale adds a second y-axis on the left side for the added symbol and leaves your original price scale on the right. Both assets keep their true price levels. Use this when the absolute prices matter to you, for example, when you want to read exact values for each symbol. Just glance at which axis corresponds to which line to avoid mixing up the numbers. New pane places the second chart in its own pane directly below your main chart. This is helpful when you want a clean separation and full visibility without compressing either price scale. You'll still see both series aligned in time, but each has its own space, making quick comparisons easier when screen real estate allows. If you decide you no longer need the comparison, remove it instantly by clicking the X next to the added symbol. S name in the top left status line of your chart. Your main chart remains unaffected. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.